Welcome to another travel vlog. I'm in Dubai and today is my third day here. So I will be actually showing you some of the places in this vlog like Burj Al Arab, Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa and some other places, some really nice places here in Dubai. Today, this is my third day and this is the third vlog of Dubai, so you're gonna see really nice places. Right now I'm doing lunch here in Dera area, and after lunch I will be getting to other places. So we got this Pakistani restaurant and some really typical dishes here like the dal and chicken karahi, and so
do you remember what you used to say? That we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.
Right now I'm in a taxi and going towards the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah beach. It's a great day here, nice weather, and basically my third day in Dubai. So in this vlog today I'm gonna show you the Burj Al Arab, and then after that we'll be going to Dubai Mall and Burj Al Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. So I'm in a public taxi here in Dubai, and the transportation is available here in Dubai in all types. For example, you can get metro, train to anywhere in the city, and there are also buses, really nice world-class buses runs throughout the city. You can use that as well, but your last option is taxi, which is expensive basically, not very expensive if you compare it to the US and UK, but still it's expensive, you know. The cheaper option is the metro train and then the buses if you're going somewhere in the city. But if there is no train available or bus available, then you can get taxi like I am right now, riding the taxi. So I will show you all the attractions here. Guys, just reached the Burj Al Arab side and the beach and everything, and now we'll show you the beach and the scenes here. See the background, Burj Al Arab, very famous tower here on the seaside, and we'll be showing you many attractions here, my friend Mr. guys, right now I am here at the very famous Jumeirah beach near Burj Al Arab, which is one of the very popular beaches for everybody, for common people and for public. And basically right now it's January 2017 and you can still swim here in this water. And we came here from the city, from the Dera area, and it took only 20 minutes to reach here, and the taxi cost us only 50 dirham. So we reached here and now enjoying here. I will show you the Burj Al Arab and the other attractions here. Hey guys, I am now on Jumeirah Beach Road. Here you can see very nice, very attractive, beautiful road. This is basically Jumeirah Beach Road, and I am showing you one of the nice place in Dubai, which is this hotel. And this hotel is basically Jumeirah Beach Hotel. Hey guys, right now I'm in front of Jumeirah Beach Hotel. It is not only the best hotel and the expensive hotel in Dubai, but also in the whole world. It is among the very popular hotels and the most expensive hotels in the whole world. So I'm just here now in front of that. It is just on the beach road here in Jumeirah, and behind this hotel you can see the Burj Al Arab, which is also very famous. One of the nicest scenes here in front of Wali theme park in Dubai, just next to Jumeirah Beach Hotel. Wow, what a just have some time, you know, just enjoying the whole thing here, simply enjoying. Hey guys, now I am in the very famous Burj Al Arab, the very nice tower hotel, 5-star hotel here in Dubai. So you can see just in the background and the people, the tourists. This is one of the must to see attraction in Dubai. This is just next to the Dubai Beach Hotel, Jumeirah Beach Hotel, and there is beach as well. So this is must to be seen. Hey guys, just in front of the door of Dubai Souk, a very nice and interesting market, Souk, old traditional market for local things and for shopping. So it is just a few minutes away from the Burj Arab. You have to actually go inside and check out all the things there. Very nice. I am just giving you a simple tour of this.
used to say that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.
Hey guys, now I am in the Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the Middle East, and I think one of the best malls and the biggest one, I mean in the whole world. So simply have arrived here, and now we'll be showing you many attractions here in the Dubai Mall. You can see so many people here, and such a great mall this is. So hope you are gonna enjoy this mall as well.
Remember what you used to say, that we really had it all. Right now I've emptied all the hopes we made, 'cause there's something I forgot. Do you remember how our hearts were safe and our rose could only grow? Right now those memories have faded away and our flowers in the dry.
Hey, such a rush and so many people in Dubai Mall here today because it is season and New Year. Doctor in Dubai Mall. Wow. Hey, now I am here in front of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and also will be showing you the Dubai Fountain water show just starting in a few minutes. So you will see that Dubai Fountain, and also I will show you the tallest building of the world, Burj Khalifa, with different angles.